Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm in my car again, and this time I am going to Dairy Queen because I want a Blizzard. I actually really like filming in my car. This is really fun. Oh, we're here. Can I get a large Oreo Blizzard, please?
Sorry, what was that?
A large Oreo Blizzard?
Is that all?
Yes.
476.
Thank you. That was really weird. Don't shake. The intercom was like super staticky and I couldn't really hear him, so hopefully he heard me. I'm so awkward in drive-thrus. I hate it. I get so nervous. I always want Kyle to do it for me, but he's like, no, you're a big boy, you can do it. Wrong, I'm not a big boy. I mean, I'm a big boy, but girl, I'm a child. I don't know, but a Blizzard just sounded so good, so I was like, I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen. I shouldn't show my card on the camera. Thomas, people will steal your money. So yeah, so here I am getting a Blizzard all alone. Kyle's at a wedding right now, so I'm just living my best life with myself. So what do you guys think of me just doing like these drive-through videos or like driving around video? How do you feel about it? What do you think? I like it. I think it's fun. I want to do like more sit down and talk in the car. I really enjoy watching those, and the last time I did that going to Starbucks, it was fun filming it, and this time is fun too. So let me know what you think. I don't know, I just think it's cool. I really want to do the video where you order what the people ordered in front of you, but I'm too embarrassed to do that. I'm next. Oh my god, here I am.
Hi, 476, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. She was watching me the whole time. Good for her. That was really fast. Love that. Why do they flip it upside down? Is it supposed to fall out? Well, it's not supposed to fall out. Let me just pull over here. Why is there people everywhere? They're gonna be like watching me. I don't care. Whatever. Gorgeous in the sunlight. So yeah, I just get a basic ass Oreo Blizzard. I forgot to get whipped cream. That sucks. Oh well. Look how good. It's not really focusing. Whatever. So good. Yes. I can inhale this. I can eat it so fast. But like, I love basic vanilla ice cream. It's my absolute favorite. So good. I don't think I've ever really tried anything else either at Dairy Queen besides a Blizzard. Oreo Blizzard. I don't like trying new things. Sorry, I just spoke with my mouth like full of ice cream. Which is another reason why I'm scared to do that whole order what the person in front of you ordered, because I don't like trying new things. I'm very, once I like something, I love it, don't change it. Like, I want to go to McDonald's and do it, but I only eat chicken nuggets at McDonald's, or maybe like a cheeseburger, but a plain cheeseburger with just ketchup, nothing on it. Like, what if I get like a fish sandwich or something? Like, I'm not gonna eat that. You kidding me? I don't really go out in the daytime by myself because I get too nervous. But there's like a lot of people out. Oh my god, this blizzard is so good. I'm wearing my Britney Spears t-shirt, which you can't really see. So cute. Love Britney. Free Britney. I hope she comes back and like starts performing again, because I just love her so much. But honestly, I just wish the best for her. So whatever makes her happy, I'm all for. What else? What else is going on? I don't do much. Literally, I eat, sleep, and go to work. But I want to start making more videos, but I just don't have a lot of ideas, and I don't like filming if Kyle's home. I like to film when I'm home alone, so that which doesn't happen very much. But I want to get more into it. I really like it, and I feel like I'm connecting with you guys, even though we're not face-to-face talking. Just because I'm so awkward, I don't really socialize that much, so this is like me socializing. It's fun for me. But yeah, so this is what I get at Dairy Queen. Oh, it's so good. What do you guys have to get at Dairy Queen? But yeah, if you have any like video ideas, let me know. Let me know. I want to do like more vlogging. Like, I think that would be cool, but I don't edit videos. I shoot it on my phone and post it. That's all I do. Like, I don't put clips together. I don't sit and watch it and do effects to it. So I'm very basic. So if I vlog, I'm gonna have to like go out, film parts of it, and put it all together. And I just haven't done that. I don't know how to do that. It just seems like too much. I get overwhelmed very easily, so we'll see. All right. I'm going to end this because I don't know what else to talk about. But I just wanted to like sit down, chit chat with you. Get the blizzard, let you know that they're the bomb. But thanks for tagging along. Give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You can leave like a nice comment or like a mean comment. I don't care. Leave an ice cream cone if you want. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.